Looking for a dependable antenna mount that keeps you connected on the road? The Tram CB5 magnet mount antenna offers just that. Designed with a sturdy black steel magnet housing and a 3/8 in X24 thread mounting, this antenna promises a secure fit for your vehicle without hassle or compromise. I recently installed the Tram CB5 on my 2011 Dodge Caliber, pairing it with a Uniden 505 radio and a 2-foot Firestick antenna. Right away, I noticed how solid the mount felt. Even cruising at speeds over 80 miles per hour, it stayed firmly in place. The 17-foot low-loss RG58 coax cable gave me plenty of length to route the cable neatly from the hatch all the way to the front of the car, with extra to spare. The rubber boot adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring durability against the elements. What really stood out was the performance. I achieved an SWR of about 1 across all channels, which is impressive for a setup at this price point. While the radio and antenna play major roles in signal quality, having a reliable mount like this one makes all the difference in maintaining a clean, consistent connection. For anyone starting out or needing a dependable, budget-friendly antenna mount, the Tram CB5 is worth a look. If you're ready to upgrade your vehicle's antenna setup without breaking the bank, the Tram CB5 magnet mount antenna offers solid performance and ease of installation. It's a practical choice that delivers what you need: secure mounting, durable materials, and excellent cable length for flexible placement. Try it when you're ready to stay connected wherever you go.